What's up, y'all? So right now I look very fucking rough, like oof, but not too much now. So as you guys have seen in the title, this is gonna be me being productive today, or trying to be. It's 10:05 right now, so I have a couple things to do today and tomorrow. So I'm going to try to be productive for 48 hours today and tomorrow. So some of the things I gotta do today, I'm about to tell y'all, and then yeah, we're gonna hop into the video. I gotta do some laundry. I gotta put up a new shower curtain because I bought this new shower curtain, y'all, from Amazon, and it came yesterday, so I'm excited to do that. I'm gonna order me some breakfast, most likely Starbucks, because y'all know I love Starbucks. Cause what? Gotta vacuum to install a wig, but I'm not gonna install the wig until tomorrow. So y'all gonna see me install the wig tomorrow, and it's gonna be a part of this video. So I'm gonna do the wig tomorrow. I have to do my nails too, but I'll do my nails tomorrow also. I gotta work out and I gotta do my skincare. So alright, y'all, so I'm out the bed. I'm about to do this laundry, right? But before I do the laundry, I'm about to open the curtains in my house because it's mad dark in my living room. Alright, yo, I finished vacuuming my room, but look, my Starbucks came, y'all, so let's open it together. Okay, so right there, can you see me? So right there. Okay, hopefully y'all not crooked or whatever, but it came. Let's see my drink. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, that shit looks so good, y'all. It's so good. My bagel and my straw. That's so good, y'all. Like, the presentation itself, hands down. I'm just trying to get to know you. Don't turn around. Hey. Y'all, I cannot sing. I really cannot sing, but I don't really give a fuck. I'm about to brush my teeth right now. Can I just ate? Okay, y'all, so I finished putting the new shower curtain up. I wanted to keep like the Paris theme shower curtain, like I wanted to keep that same theme, Paris. So out with the old and in with the new, you can tell the difference. Like, it's just the big ass Eiffel Tower. Let me turn the camera around so y'all can see. But like, yeah, I wanted to keep it the same. Like, it says something, I don't know, and then Paris at the bottom. I'm about to watch this workout video. I think I'm about to work out for like a good 20 minutes. But as I'm working out, I'm about to do some music. I'm gonna catch you guys later after I'm working out, okay? What's up, guys? So I'm back after working out and showering, and that was like literally like an hour and a half, if not 2 hours ago. And right now it is 4:47, and this vlog is still going on. Okay, I'm still being productive, y'all. Don't mind the chair making fucking noises. So right now I got this big ass 16 by 20 canvas, and I'm getting ready to paint. Y'all, so I finished the outline. It's not that bad. I feel like I gotta see how it looks when it's painted all together, but I'm about to show y'all. Can you guys tell? Can you guys see? Well, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, that's how it looks. I gotta see if I like it when it's painted for reference. I don't know who these characters are from. It's from Attack on Titan. This is Annie's Titan form versus Rainer, which is the armor Titan. So they fighting. Alright, y'all. So I just got finished brushing my teeth again for the night before it hits 12. And I still got a little bit of time. So right now I'm just ready to ice my face. Normally I'll put the face mask on first, then let it sit for like 10 minutes, wash it off, and then use the nose strip. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the nose strip on and then put the face mask around. I will see you guys also tomorrow. In tomorrow's continuation, I'm gonna be installing my wig, doing my nails, working out, and cleaning my shoes. So what's up, y'all? So today is day 2 of me being productive. So as I seen, like in the last clip, I was on my skincare and I was telling y'all I finished the artwork. So now today, y'all, it's literally 3:30. I've been up for a good minute now. So I'm getting ready to clean my dirty ass Uggs. Y'all see these Uggs? Like, y'all see how dirty these shits look? These are fucking dirty. So I'm getting ready to clean my Uggs real quick. And the color doesn't fade or nothing. So once it dries, it's gonna go back to original color. But do y'all see the difference though? Like, this is the dirty one. Like, y'all see that? Y'all see all the dirt? And this is the clean one. Like, I look so fucking bald-headed. Like, oh my gosh, not too much now, but I'm about to put this wig in my hair. So I'll have a new hairstyle for Thanksgiving. This is the wig right here. This is blonde. I never went blonde before, so my first time doing blonde. I'm gonna see if I like it or not. I don't really know. But don't mind this right here, this little brown spot right here and right here. Cause y'all see, like, y'all, I think I sprayed too much of the tint spray on the lace. So it's okay. It's kind of like it's supposed to be like that. I'm gonna make it work.
Enough money for the down payment. When I called the realtor,
I can, okay, I can get used to this. Yeah.
My plan was to fly the.
Alright, y'all, so I'm about to put these fake press-on nails on. Yeah, I'm gonna put these nails on. Hopefully they don't fall off. If they fall off tomorrow in the midst of me trying to get ready, then I'm taking them all off, okay? So we're gonna see how this works. Y'all, I'm done with this video of me being productive for 48 hours. You guys see me do laundry, do my hair, do my nails, clean my shoes. I think I did some other stuff, so I can't remember. But y'all seen everything, and that's been pretty damn productive because tomorrow's Thanksgiving, guys. Happy early Thanksgiving. Hope you eat real good. Hope you eat some yams, some cornbread, some collard greens. Hope you eat real fucking good. Cause I know I'm finna eat. I'm finna eat real good, y'all. But hope you like this video. Hope you stay to the very end. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tap that bell. And you will see me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.